In this video, we will know how to put stop loss when you sell options in Zerodha. On screen, you can see I have sold Nifty 24,700 CE, which will expire on August 11th. To put the stop loss, what you have to do is click on these three dots and click on exit. Now you can see an option called SL and SLM. SL means stop loss, SLM means stop loss market order. When you select SL, you will see two options. One is price and trigger price. But before that, one thing you have to remember is whenever you sell an option, the stop loss should be higher than the average price. In my case, the average price is 100.95. So the stop loss should be higher than the 100. So how you determine the stop loss price? For example, in this option trading, I am okay with losing 800 rupees. So when I divide 800 by 65, why 65? Because the Nifty lot size is 65. If you are using any specific stock, then you have to divide the total loss by the number of stocks in that lot. So when I divide 800 by 65, because 800 is, I am okay with this amount of loss in this specific trade. When I divide 800 by the lot size, I will get 12 rupees. So I will make it 13 rupees. So I will add this 13 rupees to my average price. So it will become 100.95. So I will take 101 plus 13. It is 114. The trigger prices should be less than the price we enter in the price option here. So I will make it 113 rupees. So whenever this option price comes at 113, the order will be sent to the exchange, and whenever the price reaches to 114, then the order will be executed. Suppose if you select SLM order, whenever the price comes at the 113, here the trigger price, the order will be executed at the trigger price automatically. So if you want to exit at the trigger price, select SLM order. Or if you want to exit at a specific price, then select SL order. So I will make it 114. So remember, for option selling and option buying, these prices should be different. For option sellers, in this video, we are particularly talking about the option selling. So the price should be higher than the average price, and the trigger price should be lower than the price we enter in this price box. So when I click on buy, and remember one more thing to remember, it is an overnight order. If you have an intraday order, then you have to select intraday option. But in my case, it is an overnight order. So now I am clicking on the buy option here. See, the order is placed. When I go to the orders, the order is pending. So whenever the trigger price of 113 rupees comes, then the order will be sent to the exchange. And if the price reaches 114, the order will be executed. To cancel the order, click on these three dots and click on cancel and click on cancel order. Then the order will be, so like this, you can put a stop loss when you sell options in Zerodha.